সবাই কি চলে এসছে? হ্যালো, 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 শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
Yes, sir.
সবাই কি চলে এসছে?
মোটামুটি স্যার।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, আর 2-1 মিনিট দেখি। Okay, now I am starting the experiment. Last day, BD sir already discussed the theory of the partition coefficient. Okay, so today I only show you the experiment. As we all are in home, so we make a video. I will share this video by screen sharing. You can see here. If any problem, you can ask immediately. Okay, now I am starting the video. Determination of partition coefficient. At first, I have to prepare two bottles. Okay, so this is number 1 bottle and this is bottle number 2. In the bottle number 1, you have to take 25 ml of saturated acetic acid and 25 ml of water and 50 ml in beta. In the bottle number 2, you have to take 50 ml in butanol and 50 ml of saturated acetic acid. Okay. So shake these two bottles for 1 hour. Now I will show you how to shake mechanically in a mechanical shaker. This is called mechanical shaker. By this shaker you can shake at first you have to on the switch, then you সবাই দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
visible to all? Okay. Start, and from this knob you can control the rotational speed of the mechanical shaker. So at first I will set two bottles here. Okay. By this process, you have to shake the two bottles for 1 hour. If you shake bottles for 1 hour, then the solute, that means acidic, it will transfer from aqueous level to organic level. Okay. So that's why this shaking is necessary. Okay. You have to wait for the 1 hour. After shaking 1 hour, you have to then you have to titrate these two layers of the bottle. Okay. Now wait for the shaking for 1 hour. See. Okay. Now after 1 hour, we coming back to the. We are showing the video by step because 1 hour waiting is not possible. That's why we cut this video, and after shaking I am showing what is the process. Okay. Experiment. Now I will stop the machine. And you have to again wait for the 5 minutes for settlement of the layer. Now see, you can see the layer. Okay. Okay. Now 5 minutes complete. Now see here. There is two distinct layers. Upper layer is organic layer and lower layer is aqueous layer, because organic layer its density is low and aqueous layer its density is 0.99. That means approximate 1, nearly 1. That's why it is a heavy layer. So this is aqueous layer. That means aqueous layer will be lower layer and organic layer will be upper layer. For bottle 2 also, upper layer is organic layer and lower layer is aqueous layer. Okay. Now I will show you how to take the layer of the without disturbing the layer, you have to take the any particular layer, then titrate with sodium hydroxide. Okay, if you disturb the layer, then suppose water layer can mix with organic layer, or organic layer mix with aqueous layer. So you must keep in mind that you don't disturb any layer. Slowly you do the titration. Bottle. Before that, you have to fill the weight by sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, I already filled the burette. Here you have to take the NaOH solution in burette because you have no other alternative. Okay, so you must have to take the NaOH solution in burette. Up to 0 mark. Now directly I am going to the second step. That means how to take the layer of the bottles. At first, you have to take the upper layer of the bottle 1. This is bottle 1. Just small portion you have to give it. Then slowly you shake the solution. And one thing you must remember that when you take organic layer, you must have to check whether there is any aqueous layer or not. I think there is only one layer. You can see there also. Okay. So if there is some portion of aqueous layer, then it may contaminate it. That means your experiment will be wrong because value will be given wrong. So you must check this. Okay. So at first I have taken 2 ml of organic layer in 100 ml conical flask. Then I have to add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator into this layer. That is into this conical. Okay. Initially, the color of the solution is colorless. Okay. Let's see what is the color after. Because this solution is acidic, that's why this is colorless solution. After adding NaOH solution from the burette into this conical, when the total solution will be alkaline, then it will form color, pink color. Okay. Initially it is 0. Okay. Okay. So now the pink color is, that all the acetic acid is neutralized by base. Now this one for the extra base. So that means upper layer titration complete. Now you will check the value, and initially value is 7, 0 to 7. Okay, this is the first one. Now again you have to take the second layer, that means aqueous layer. You have to take aqueous layer equivalent, and here I am showing you only one readings, but during the experiment you have to take each layer for 2 readings. Okay, that means you have to repeat another one time. So total 4 layer, 4 into 2, 8 readings you have to take during the experiment. But now I am showing you only one reading of each layer. Then again add field of the indicator and title with sodium hydroxide. So now I will show you how to take the lower layer of the bottle. Okay, at first you press this, okay, like this. Then this pipette dipped into the bottle. Also this one. Okay, then you raise this. Now you have to shut slowly. Okay. After dipped this pipette up to lower marks, that means lower portion of the bottle. Okay. See, it is lower layer, that is it is aqueous state. Okay. Into this layer, one drop in the indicator. Okay. Initially colorless solution because it is acidic. So now you have to titrate this solution by any solution which is filled to the bullet. On the all H plus ion of acetic acid will be neutralized by inner solution. Then pink color will be arise. Okay. Now the whole solution of the chemical is in color. That means this reaction complete. That means all the H plus ion utilized by ionic solution, and now it is 30. Second one is 30. First one was 7 and it is 30. So the first bottle complete. Now I will show the Titration from the bottle 2. Again, same procedure. You have to take the upper layer of the bottle 2. Again, dip small portion into the solution. Then I will start my mouth. It is 2 ml upper layer of bottle 2. Again into this solution, I will add inductive indicator 1 drop. Now I will titrate this solution. Again sodium hydroxide solution. Okay. So again this titration complete. So now the reading is 26.9. 26.9. So 3 layers already complete. Now only 1 layer is left. That means lower layer of bottle 2. Okay. So again press this pivot like this. Okay. Then lift the pivot up to lower layer. Again keep it to start slowly. Okay. This is 2 ml lower layer of bottle 2. Again into this solution I will add Phillips-Link indicator 1 drop. Then started with sodium hydroxide solution again. You have to check the solution homogeneous. Otherwise, color will form in the same place. That means at a particular place. Okay. So final calculation also complete, and reading is 38.8. Okay. So on that calculation, I have completed. Only one reading I have taken, but during the experiment, you have to take two readings, minimum two readings of a layer. That means upper layer two readings, lower layer also two readings. So total 8 readings you have to take during the experiment. So after that, I will show you how to calculate this. Okay. So this is the second step I shown you. Okay. As the sodium hydroxide is secondary standard solution, so at first you have to standardize sodium hydroxide by which solution? Which solution I used for standardization of sodium hydroxide? Already you people done so many times.
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid
No, acetic not.
or not experiment. Previous experiment also you have done how to standardize the sodium hydroxide solution. Can anyone tell me how to standardize the sodium hydroxide solution? তোমরা এটা অনেকবার করেছো। কন্ডাক্টোমেট্রি টাইট্রেশনের সময় স্ট্যান্ডার্ডাইজ করোনি? oxalic acid. By using oxalic acid, you can standardize the sodium hydroxide solution. Because oxalic acid, it is a primary standard solution. So by using this primary standard solution, you can standardize secondary standard solution NaOH. So now I am showing you the standardization process. Actually, you have to do this process first. Okay, but previously I shown you. Also, it's okay, no problem. You can do fast or at last, no problem. So at first, I have to do the standardization process because sodium hydroxide, it is a secondary standard solution. So when you are using any secondary standard solution during the titration or any experiment, you have to standardize the secondary standard solution by the primary standard solution. Here, I will standardize the NaOH solution by oxalic acid. Okay, by this oxalic acid, I will standardize the sodium hydroxide solution. So, for the standardization, at first you have to take 2 ml of oxalic acid. Okay, and first I will take 2 ml oxalic acid solution. Connect to flask. Now I will add indicator. That means it is alkaline indicator. I will add just 1 drop. Okay. Now I will titrate this solution by sodium hydroxide. You have to add the sodium hydroxide dropwise. Okay, here this color from the lower portion of the solution. Okay, I will clear this. Okay. Continuously you have to shake the container. Okay, it will be accurate. Okay, standardization procedure. See, initially it was 13.8 and now it is 40.1. 40.1. Okay, and now for the conversion, I will take another 1 degree because this standardization is very vital. If the standardization procedure is wrong, then the strength of the NaOH solution will be not and the total experiment will be wrong. So for the confirmation, I will take another 1 degree for the standardization. So again the same procedure, I will take 2 ml of oxalic acid by graduated diplet. Then 1 ml, sorry, 1 drop alkaline indicator. Again, by the same way, we have to titrate. So again, the second one also complete. Initial was 40.1 and the final is 41.5. 41.5. So By this way, you will have to take all the readings of the titration, and after that, I will show you the calculation, how to calculate by this reading. Okay. Now I am going to the calculation part. Okay, this is all about your titration method. And up to this, any query? Anybody have? Hello? If you have any query, you can ask. হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ সুবি স্যার বলো।
না না স্টুডেন্টদেরকে বলছি স্যার।
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ সে তো বুঝতেই পারছি, বলছি যে আর কিছু করাবে নাকি?
না না আর কিছু করাবো না, এই ক্যালকুলেশনটা একটু দেখিয়ে দেবো।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিকই আছে এমনিতে, কিন্তু অনেকটা ইকো হচ্ছে কেন গো?
ইকো হচ্ছে ওই পাশে ফিজিক্সে ক্লাস চলছিল মনে হয়, ওদিক থেকে কিছু একটা আওয়াজ এসেছিল স্যার।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
ফিজিক্স
ঠিকই
ল্যাবে
আছে,
আওয়াজ চলছিল মনে হয়।
ঠিকই আছে, ঠিক আছে, আমি আছি না।
হুম হুম। স্টুডেন্টরা কেউ কোনো আওয়াজই করছে না।
কোনো রেসপন্স নাই তো, দেখছি তো।
Yes, sir.
হ্যালো
Yes,
হ্যালো,
sir.
হ্যাঁ
Yes, sir.
রেসপন্স করো, কিছু কোশ্চেন জিজ্ঞাসা করো তোমরা, নালে
In this
আমরা বুঝবো তোমাকে।
hmm. In this experiment, temperature is very vital. So before starting experiment, you have to record the temperature before the experiment, and also after the experiment, and then you have to calculate the mean temperature, that means average temperature. And strength of oxalic acid, it is 0.1 normal, and this is the composition of the material, that means bottle 1 and bottle 2, and this is the standardization process. Here the volume of oxalic acid, it is 2 and bullet reading I will send you right here. Then calculate the strength of NaOH solution. কে গান করছে?
Okay, sir.
Then the partition coefficient for the bottle 1, you have to write the all the readings. After that, by V1S1 V2S2, by this formula you have to calculate the strength of every layer. Okay, you have to calculate every layer, then you have to determine the ratio. Okay,
Yes, sir.
here is the all the calculation you can see there. Then mean, you have to determine the partition coefficient for bottle 1 and bottle 2, then write the mean partition coefficient. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
precaution pipette volumetric flask which we will use during this experiment must be calibrated, that means and must be clean very well during we're doing any liquid, that means any layer, you must not be contaminated. I already told you that value will be wrong, that means experiment will be wrong, and you will not get the actual reading. Okay, and temperature must be noted, at the beginning and at the end of the experiment. Okay, so you calculate this by using this formula, and if you have any problem you can ask by WhatsApp or you can call me anytime. So any problem?
No, sir.
আর কারোর যদি কিছু জিজ্ঞাসা থাকে বলো। আমি সব ডেটা তোমাদের গুগল ক্লাসরুমে পাঠিয়ে দেব, সেই ডেটা দিয়ে তোমরা ক্যালকুলেট করবে, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার।
আর লাস্ট ডে ল্যাব ফাইল সবাই সাবমিট করেছো? Everyone submitted the lab file?
Sir, experiment 6 तो
Yes, yes.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Yes,
সাবমিট
sir.
সাবমিট করুন।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. I'm checking. Oritrika? Oritrika present there?
No, sir.
Soham? Soham Chakraborty?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
You have not submitted the file.
Yes, sir. আমার শরীর ভালো ছিল না, সেই জন্য আমি সাবমিট করতে পারিনি।
মাঝে তো অনেকদিন ছুটি ছিল, এতদিন তোমার শরীর খারাপ
হ্যাঁ
ছিল?
স্যার, তারপরে না স্যার, তারপরে আমি সাবমিট যখন করতে গেছিলাম তখন স্যার ওইটা ওপেন ছিল না, যেটা যেখানে সাবমিটটা করতে হতো। 5 আর 6 দুটোই আমি সাবমিট করতে পারিনি। আমি
ঠিক
স্যার
আছে,
সাবমিট
তাড়াতাড়ি
করতে
করে দাও কিন্তু।
আমার কাছে স্যার করা আছে, কিন্তু আমি সাবমিট করতে পারিনি, কারণ মানে কি বলবো, যেখানে আমি করাটা উচিত ছিল সেটা ওপেন ওপেন ছিল না।
না, এটা তো সব সময় ওপেন আছে।
না স্যার, ওপেন ওপেন নেই, আপনি একবার চেক করুন।
না, এটা ওপেনই আছে। এতজন সাবমিট করেছে, সবাই তো সাবমিট করেছে, দেখো।
স্যার ওপেন এখন ওপেন নেই, গুগল ক্লাসরুমে আমি ওপেন করতে গিয়েছিলাম, এই সাবমিট করতে গিয়েছিলাম।
তুমি ভালো করে দেখো, ওপেন আছে, ঠিক আছে? কৃষ্ণ কিশোর? কৃষ্ণ কিশোর? I think he is not present.
Sir, he is not in the meeting.
Okay. ওকে, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে যদি আর কারো কিছু কোশ্চেন থাকে বলো, তা না হলে লিভ করে যাই।
স্যার একটু বলবেন কোন জায়গাটা ওপেনটা আছে?
ক্লাস ওয়ার্কে যাও। ক্লাস ওয়ার্কে গিয়ে এক্সপেরিমেন্ট নাম্বার 6 এ যাও।
ওকে স্যার।
পেয়েছো?
Yes, sir.
ওকে, তাহলে সাবমিট করে দাও।
Okay, sir. Submit করে দিচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা, already 7 experiment complete and only 1 experiment late. Then your lab exam will be there. During the lab exam, you will given 60 marks question, because physical appearance is not possible this situation. Okay, so I think there will be a only you have to answer 60 marks question. Before the experiment, before the exam, I will tell you how to exam happen. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
Thank you, sir.